I speak tonight to remind you of this immutable truth, that imagination, misused, bears no fruit, but rightly employed, it is the law by which all things are made. Most of you imagine wrongly. You wrap your desires in longing. You watch them as though they were far away. But wishing is barren. Waiting postpones. Hoping, confessed, is denial. You must assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Creation begins not in yearning, but in assumption, the daring acceptance that it is already done. Now I will show you how imagination works, not in theory, but in living fact. Do not drift in thought. Enter the scene, feel it, see it, hear it, as though it were happening before you now. In your palm rests an orange. The skin is rough yet smooth beneath your fingers. As you peel it, the tearing sound fills your ears, and the fragrance bursts into the air. Now bite into it. The juice breaks over your tongue, sharp and sweet, cooling your throat. You are not hoping, you are eating. This is experience, not desire. And I tell you, your subconscious has already accepted this scene as fact. Creation is finished. It is done. And if you can accept as real what the world dismisses as trivial, the taste of fruit upon the tongue, then you can as easily accept what it deems important. Consciousness makes no such divisions. If you would imagine wealth, do not picture coins and notes, but live the scene that wealth creates. Walk through the market with your basket in hand. The aisles glow with abundance, fruit piled high, shelves full of every choice. You reach for what you desire, not what is cheapest. Your hand takes the ripest, the finest, the best. Feel the weight of the basket growing in your arm. Hear the soft thud as each item lands inside. Smell the bread, still warm, the sweetness of fruit, the spice of coffee. At the counter you pay without thought of lack. The sound of the register closes the act. Done. And you walk away, light, free, supplied. This is not hope. This is the natural life of one who already possesses. The subconscious does not recognize money or market. It knows only states. Dwell in the state of plenty, and the outer world must mirror it. The mind that yields to the taste of fruit yields as swiftly to the fact of increase. To the deeper self, an orange and a fortune are of one weight. Neither is greater, neither is lesser. Both stand alike as the offspring of assumption. If you would imagine success, do not look upon it as a dream to come. Enter it now, as though the stage were already beneath your feet. Now stand upon the stage. The lights blaze, hot and blinding. Your name is called. An applause crashes like thunder, shaking your very being. A figure amongst the steps. Clasp both your hands with warmth and strength, and leaning close they speak, "I am so proud of you. You truly deserve this." The words strike deeper than the applause. Your emotion surges until tears rise unbidden to your eyes. At this moment, the subconscious has taken it as reality. Success is not ahead of you. It is happening now within you. And if unseen applause can move you as though it roared in this very hall, then triumph itself is already secured. For the law does not weigh outcomes, it only echoes assumption. Do not sit and wait, saying, "I hope it happens." Hope is empty. Assume it now, live in the end, and let the unseen forces externalize it. Do not confine yourself to a single, trivial scene, but dare to envision the great picture that gathers every detail within it. And when you enter that picture, do not watch it as though it were a film upon a screen. Step into it. Live inside it. Let it surround you. Clothe it with every sense. See it with your eyes. Hear it with your ears. Feel it in your hands. Let its fragrance rise. Let its taste confirm it. The orange, the wealth, the triumph, they are one and the same. For the subconscious, the law itself, makes no distinction between great or small. As the taste of fruit is accepted without question, so must abundance be claimed. And as surely as the day arrives when you eat the orange, wealth and success must appear in your world.